Is it right for Hindus to worship Christian god Jesus? Presently, this has become a hot topic due to rapid rise of Christianity in India. In many houses, particularly in South India, you will see Jesus image along with Hindu deities in their prayer rooms. Some temples in India and outside have added Jesus images and statues in their temples. Some Hindu religious groups and gurus are calling Jesus as an avatar of God Vishnu. Are they correct? Is it okay for Hindus to worship these Christian images? Let's check it out. Before deciding on whether to worship Jesus or not, let's ask ourselves the question: who is Jesus? There are three popular theories in the world about Jesus. They are: number 1, Jesus never existed. That is, he is a mythical character like Spider Man. Number 2, Jesus existed and he is a god. Number 3, Jesus existed and he is a lowly character called Mlecha. Let's examine the first theory. Did Jesus exist? World's top historians consider Jesus as a fictional character. That is, he never existed. All the 126 historical books from the first century disprove events in the Bible. These historians recorded very small details of events in Rome, but nothing about Jesus or events in the Bible. History shows that Romans created a peace-loving Jewish Messiah character after the bloody Roman-Jewish war to keep Jews under control. Surprisingly, all the Gospels, that is, life stories of Jesus, were written only after this war. The first very pope, that is, Pope Clement I, didn't consider Jesus as a real person, and he wasn't even aware of the stories mentioned in Gospels. Pope Leo X accepted that Jesus was a fictional character. Surveys show that most of the educated people in West believe that Jesus didn't exist. So, it looks like Jesus is some sort of first century fictional character created by the Romans. Let's call him Crossman. Would you worship these fictional characters like Spider-Man, Superman, Crossman, etc. as God just because they are popular? Absolutely not, right? According to Bible, Jesus scolds people who call him God. In contrast, gods in other religions openly admit that they are divine. Except the controversial Gospel of John, none of other books in Bible call him God. Till 5th century, church considered Jesus' character as a human teacher. In 431 AD, the Council of Ephesus, led by Catholic Church and Roman Emperor, decided to call Jesus divine. Church needed to fill a gap as other competing religions in Europe had a clear God character and Christianity didn't have any. So a human, Jesus, was transformed into God for political reasons, right? So it is clear that Jesus was a human being. Now the questions arise: what kind of human was Jesus? Did Jesus have godly qualities? What was Jesus' personality? Let us find out. According to Hindu philosophy, a person with the following 6 qualities can be called Deva or godly person. They are: number 1, Tejas, that is brilliance. Number 2, Bala, that is strength. Number 3, Jnana, that is knowledge. Number 4, Dhairya, that is steadfastness. Number 5, Shaurya, that is mighty. Number 6, Kshama, that is forgiveness. Who is a Mlecha? According to Baudhayana Sutras, a Mlecha is one who is uncivilized, indulges in self contradictory statements, devoid of righteousness, lacks purity of conduct. According to Mahabharata, Mlecha is one who possesses deceptive power of asuras or rakshasas, often misuses miracle, that is siddhi powers, for self interests and worldly goals. According to Bible, Jesus is known for uncontrolled anger and disdain, arrogance and unhygienic lifestyle, exhibits unjust behavior and resorts to vandalism. He is scorning, cursing and spreading hate. He is foolish and hates women. He is immoral and lacks self control. He is known as a glutton and drunkard, lacks respect for others' opinions. Jesus uses the Siddha Shakti, that is, miracles to glorify himself, or unwise reasons such as turning water into wine, etc. A great philosopher, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, who is the founder of Arya Samaj, summarized the true personality of Jesus. He stated, Jesus was a hot tempered person, destitute of knowledge, and who behaved like a wild savage. Jesus came to spread discord, which is going on everywhere in the world. In reality, he was a very ordinary, ignorant man, neither learned nor a yogi. Based on this information, what does Jesus qualify as? Jesus doesn't have any godly or divine characteristics as mentioned above, so Jesus cannot be called God. The personality of Jesus qualifies him to be called a Mlecha. Hindus don't worship fictional characters like Spider-Man, Superman or Crossman. Hindus don't worship Mlechas such as Ravana, Mahishasura, Jesus, etc. So, coming back to the original question, can Hindus worship Jesus? The answer is absolutely not. It would be a sin for Hindus to worship Jesus. They should stop putting Jesus' image along with Hindu deities.